Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we're doing a little surprise for Izzy. So
I always wanted to do it like
he always wanted to do this one, and he doesn't know what we are doing. Here we go.
Yep.
Okay, Izzy. So we've got our page in the landscape position again, horizontal, this way. And on the left here, I'm gonna put down a little circle.
Okay.
Okay. Then I'm gonna draw a little line above that little circle.
Okay.
And go down. Go down that side. And go across. And across. Okay. So.
Wait, that be banyan?
No, you can't guess it. So down here, just a bit further down, we'll draw a line doing that. Another line doing that. And a line doing that. And another line doing that. And a wide circle just doing that. A semicircle rather.
Yes.
And a semicircle on the other side of it doing that.
Okay.
Your semicircles are small, it's supposed to be this size. Okay, but it's okay, it's okay. And now, since this is a surprise drawing, you don't know what we're doing, so it's fine, it's fine. Now, I'm going to draw a line going up that way.
Okay.
Another line going up that way. You got that?
Yes.
So I'm putting my pencil down here, my marker rather, and I'm doing that all the way around, and flipping it back, doubling up, going this way, and touching that there. In fact, pull it through. Okay. And now from here, doing this, coming down, just over there. And this side, finally something recognizable. What do you think this is?
A cat?
But what cat? And now, gonna draw pose again, just 3 toenails.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I'm drawing a little line down here, add some fluff if you want to. And add some fluff this side if you want to. Completing this line up there. And do you know of a cat whose ears is too big for his body? And a little bit of fluff on top if you want to. So you know it's a cat. Okay. Now we're going to draw. We're going to leave some space for the other forehead. We're going to draw 2 circles here, big circles. Okay, you're ready. And I'm going to draw a reflection inside it. Now I'm going to draw the upside down triangle thingy for a nose. And I'm going to add a smile to that. And a smile on either side. And now I'm going to draw whiskers. So another line going up there, just over there for the inside of the ear, and some fluff. And fix that up there again with some fluff. So easy. What do you think this is?
Wait.
So now we need to add patches on the tail.
I should use it. Kitten?
What's a kitten?
Higgs?
That's Higgs.
No!
So this is Higgs, everybody. Higgs is our little kitten. Higgs is currently locked up in the room with mom. Because Higgs likes to come and destroy our drawings.
And my origami.
And Faiz's origami. So Higgs got some color on the side here and on the butt.
Yeah,
And some side chest color and some on the head. So I'm just gonna make that like that. It's a little weird, Higgs. Okay, everybody. So now we need to color this. So Higgs has a blue collar.
Yes.
The little pendant is white and grey because it's a little picture of a mouse on a pendant. And she's got like this ginger color with white. Am I right? And the inside of the ears we can make pink. The eyes are yellow with black pupils.
Yes.
Here we go. This color.
Yep.
Are we gonna get Higgs to make an appearance?
Yes.
Okay. First color the scene though. So Higgs destroyed his origami. Okay, Izzy.
Yes.
I think let me quickly go and get Higgs so that he can make it appear.
Okay,
What do we have here, Higgs? And Higgs is on the table. And say hello to the camera up there. Okay, go on. No, she doesn't like that. We'll show a picture. Once again.
Yeah.
Come. Play with that. You're just curious now. She doesn't know what's happening. But that's Higgs, everybody, and this was Izzy's surprise drawing. So, thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
Bye. Bye, Higgs. Bye.
Bye.